FAAS Stock Analysis Tuesday and onwards. So am I buying is the question, and I'm covering that in a short 1-minute video. You know, as the only guy in person in this space with 40,000 videos made, I've seen what's working for me and what's not. Ultimately, with DigiAsia stock, this is quite all right. Very nice, man. Very, very nice. This is where we are. This was made like, it was like a sell side prediction, man, and it delivered. It was so nice. Right, it was sitting at the time, already like 3 months ago when it was called out. And then now we're here. I did see this correction taking place, but still, rules are still not met, right? So that long is not going to be taken unless the rules are met. And I'm here to tell you that I'm about to be patient. It's just the beginning of the week. I'm not going to be forcing no trades here. I do have a lot of previous receipts with FAAS, so no sweat. And it's just one. But if you do want to learn how I'm consistently making 5 to 10K per month trading, then yeah, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll see you in the next one.